Ever wondered if you could actually die from a sneeze? Let's clear the air. Sneezes themselves can't kill you. When you sneeze, your body launches air out of your nose and mouth at up to 100 miles per hour. Your heart doesn't stop, but it might briefly change rhythm, which is totally normal. The real danger? Sneezing while driving or holding it in. Both can cause accidents, or, rarely, injuries like ruptured blood vessels. So next time you sneeze, don't panic. Just grab a tissue, bless yourself, and maybe warn anyone standing too close.